Shanghai Tengri Metal Products Company Limited is dedicated to the design and manufacture of high-strength bolts, precision screws, machined parts, and non-standard fasteners. With more than 30 years of production experience, we have full production capacity of fasteners, independent cold forging workshop, machining workshop, surface treatment workshop, heat treatment workshop, and a variety of advanced testing equipment. We can not only manufacture rivets, but also highly complex industrial fasteners. Products are tested, inspected, and measured to achieve 100% quality assurance. The wire coils are the beginning of the whole production process. We usually classify wires with different materials through color labels to achieve the purpose of rapid identification. In the cold forging workshop, an automatic high-speed 6-die, 6-punch multi-station cold forging machine is running. The next one is a 7-die, 7-punch cold forging machine. Now, a 2-die, 3-punch cold heading machine is producing 135mm machine screws. Hex flange and hexagon socket head cap screw are the most common. We can produce different head shapes like hexalobular socket head cap screw, cross countersunk, Torx round head with collar, etc. Next is the production of plastic tapping thread. This thread is formed very fast, which is in line with the fast self-tapping characteristics of screw. On the contrary, the slower speed is for the processing of long screw half thread. In addition, the NPT thread is specialized in sealing. As what is shown from the production speed, it is difficult to produce. To maintain stability, a pressure monitor is essential. What's worth mentioning is an automatic vacuum hydrocarbon cleaning machine. The operator places the product's cleaning basket on the feeding table, then sent to the washing machine feeding level. Next, the cleaning basket is pushed into the cleaning machine by the manipulator for cleaning and vacuum drying. It is finally sent out through the discharging table. The products is taken out, which complete the whole cleaning to drying process. Screws of different grades are processed by heat treatment. Here, it is introduced that the fastener is sealed after galvanizing, and the products is sealed after black passivation, which can effectively improve the film layer's brightness and blackness. The next surface treatment is a water-soluble, completely chromium-free surface treatment that is harmless to the environment, which is named Geomet. At present, we enter the CNC workshop. The worker firstly chooses the matching instrument. The operation of the robot arm is programmed, which dramatically improves coefficient of precision. Next comes the centerless grinder, which is used to grind the surface of the products after the completion of galvanizing, as well as the need for centerless grinding of the products. Let's take a closer look at how a perfect circle is formed. Then, the multi-station machine mainly performs multi-step continuous production of screws with special grooving. The plug requires 100% manual and go, no-go inspection to ensure the quality of products. Let's take a look at the working state of the dust-free workshop through the visitor channel. Now running is the automatic installation of rubber ring table. The next is dust-free packing. In the laboratory, where we have complete testing equipment, there are automatic composite measuring system, electro-coating thickness meter, spectrum analyzer, tightening test equipment, etc. We use Spectro Max X spectrometers made in Germany, which can accurately detect materials for daily analysis and precisely inspect all raw materials and finished products. Next, to the electroplating film thickness gauge. Its main function is to quickly and accurately measure the thickness of the zinc layer at each point for analysis, in order to feed back to the production line in time to ensure the uniformity of the surface zinc layer. The experimental equipment can be tightened to measure metal torque, desired angle, axial force, and thread friction torque. Optical sorting equipment is the final part of product inspection. We have automatic packaging machine, which can be diversified for customized quantity packaging. Perfect small bag packaging is more convenient for you to retail and do inventory. Our factory has passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification and applied for more than 10 authorized patents. Our customers are located in nearly 30 countries on 5 continents. And our products are widely used in energy, electronics, machinery, chemical, metallurgy, hydraulic, and other fields. Integrity, quality, service, innovation. Build the brand of Tengri.